So what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new, hit the like, subscribe, and make sure that notification bell is checked. Make sure it's dark, okay? Been following me for a while. Hit the like button. This one's going to be brief, and I may or may not make one tonight, just crypto heavy. This one will be stocks and crypto, but you need to hear this if you're in both, all right? So listen. Stock market is it closed high. It's still bullish, right? They call it the Trump trade, and that's that's pretty accurate, right? And there's a lot going on with him picking his cabinet that's going to affect stocks and crypto. Some stocks negatively, all crypto positively. And so we're going to see how that happens. Someone said, Larry, I'm just haven't gotten into the market since 2021 because the market is at an all-time high. I'm going to tell you, you've left a lot of money on the table, even though we know that the entire market is overinflated. It's expensive. It is. I agree with you 100%. I've been saying that all of the time, but there's still plenty of money to be made. Okay. While we're in this cycle, we're in a bullish pattern. And it hasn't stopped. It hasn't slowed down. A lot of your portfolio since the election until now was the biggest moves you've seen since 2020 if you got in at the bottom, right? And so you cannot deny the power of what's happening, even with, even political. And then someone said, hey, the geopolitical situation. Listen, in the history of wars and rumors of wars, the best time to buy was the onset. Like soon as a strike or a threat happens, generally that provides a buying opportunity. And so if you're scared of war, just go back and do your research and you'll see that that was actually a good time to buy because the market generally in 3 months is up higher from the onset, with the exception of World War II. Okay. All right. So I just wanted to just go over that. Everything is still looking good. I haven't changed anything. You know, our baby, I brought you guys QUBT. I believe I'm calling it correct. Up another 28% and another 4% in the aftermarket. I could see this easily going to $7 and I got it at 93 cents. But I'm going to talk about a mistake, a huge mistake that a lot of people make, okay? But it's for stocks and crypto as I shift over into crypto. So crypto is cooling off. Some people are losing their minds that Bitcoin is down by 2%. Oh my goodness. Oh, Larry, please, what's going on with the crypto? It's for those of us that have taken the class, Stock Up U, promo code LEARN, LEARN. I will tell you that we sitting back, we sipping coffee. We're like, cool. As a matter of fact, I'm going to say something that's going to disturb one or two of you guys. I'm not in a rush for Bitcoin to pop the 100K. I'm not. I am happy that it is kind of hovering here for a minute so we get a breather and it allows us time to accumulate. Bitcoin is going to pop 100K, whether it happens this year or next year. We're actually above what we thought we would hit this year. Remember, just a few days ago, we would have been happy to hit 80K by the end of this year. Now, Bitcoin hit that psychological level. Like I keep telling you guys, 100K is a psychological level because people start selling. I could sell all of my crypto and walk away and I'll be a bigger winner than any other asset I could have invested in, period. Even right now, there's more good news to come. There is a push higher for all crypto. But let me tell you two major mistakes that people make that causes them to lose money. Number one, and I'm dealing with crypto right now, and it may apply to stocks. Number one, you keep jumping out of coins, right? Or stop. For instance, XLM is absolutely killing it. Look at XLM over the week, over the month, not even the month, over the week. XLM is defying gravity, right? And so what you do, you keep selling all your bags and just going to what's hot, and you buy it while it's at the top, right? And then the coin that you just sold actually moves up right after you sell it. And I need someone to be honest with me and just leave me a comment, ME. Please leave me a comment, ME. That's me. I know. I used to do that. Last cycle, I used to do that. I'm telling you, it's a mistake, because what'll happen is all of the hype around that coin will cool off. It'll level off. And then the coin you just sold starts to run. It pops, right? The trick to really making good money in crypto is going in heavy when it's beat down, like I did with Bunk, like I did with a lot of stuff, like I did with Sui and Bunk, those type of coins, Shiba Inu. Those are the moves that you make. You go in heavy earlier. Now, if you have good solid coins that are going to perform, like Bunk, like XRP, and I told you in the last video why XRP and Doge are good, but Sui, the layer ones, they are absolutely a good hold for me. Solana is a good hold for me. Solana and Sui in particular. Link is another good hold for me. I went in heavy, and I'm not giving those up. So regardless of these little pullbacks, remember, good people, Bitcoin can pull down by 1%. The alts will pull down by 6%. And the memes will pull down by 15%, right? And that's just the way it goes. But for those that are going to, I'm going to tell you, some of you guys are listening to me right now, won't buy them now. But when Bitcoin goes back up to 99.988 and the altcoins start to run, be honest, because this is going to help you make money. Then you pile in and start to buy. And that's just normal. That's emotional. But I challenge you to get away from the emotional trading and just ride with the coins you have. Now, it's okay to add new coins like XLM, but wait for pullbacks like this. And then don't front in and dump all your money in. Start to dollar cost average when they come down. So what I do personally, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, is I got daily buying going on right now of coins, and Bitcoin is the main one, right? And I have 2 orders of the daily buys. For those of you that have taken the class, you'll see what I mean. You know what I mean. So I have a reoccurring buys, right? So I'll set 2 reoccurring buys for Bitcoin. You guys are just, fees, yeah, they do count. But if you just focus on the fees, you're going to miss out on a lot of money. So when Bitcoin comes down and the altcoins, then I double the amount, right? And then when they go back up towards 100K, I cut the amount that I'm purchasing in half. See? And so I buy more as it comes down, and I buy less when it goes up. Right? And so these are lessons I've learned that has helped me to make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and my crypto portfolio will be $1 million by 2025, because I've learned hard lessons and I've been studying. So the second thing that I will tell you that people make a mistake in with crypto, especially because it's not stock, is not understanding what you're in. A lot of you guys just follow there. You listen to our pages, which is fine, and you make moves and you make money. Like somebody that showed me they made $500,000 the week I was on vacation and I was making those calls. Then they bought the class after that. Then they told me that they would have most likely made more they would have made an extra 100,000 had they taken the class. So the last big mistake that people do is not invest in themselves first. Spend a fraction of the money you will lose or not gained by not having the knowledge of what the entirety of crypto is and when to buy and when to sell. Okay. So my Black Friday sale is going on right now. Coupon code LEARN, LEARN. Use it. Get the biggest discount and let's kill it. Because those of us that are in the family, we ain't worried about this little pullback. Actually, we're actually happy about it. Even though I'm losing my voice, I'm rejoicing. Okay, good people. So I'm gonna leave it right there. I may or may not make a video tonight, but what I'm going to do tonight is upload another video to the class. Okay, talking about where we are, and I'm going to break down Bitcoin, altcoins, and meme coins, and when to buy those type of deals. Okay. And so, guys, I can just tell you here right now, it's good to be in all of them, but you have to pick the amounts that you're going to get in each of them. Okay. All right. We're going to leave it right there. Good people. Make sure to check out. If you buy the class, please use the coupon code and get the money off. Right. Let's keep our eyes open. Make sure your notification bells are checked. And I will see you either tonight or tomorrow, all depending. Okay. Live, love, laugh, and learn.